video, Game Square, and today we're going to be playing Revenge Board.
Yeah, Revenge Board is a cool game.
Instead of going through the pipes, you have to break them, which lots of people really like to play because they hated Flappy Board. Some people love Flappy Board, some people hated it, some people got addicted to it, and really bad things happened to a bunch of people.
Yeah, like death,
yeah, a lot of people did.
The death of people, they died, some people died, and some people went mad.
The thing I really hate about the thing is, every time you play it, it always sometimes shows ads. Okay, but anyway, this season you can hit 150. Yeah. Are you there?
Yes. And by the way, I'm playing this, so yes, I know. Yes, I hit it.
Yeah, we hit it. Now we're gonna hit 200 if we can.
Of course you can. What are you talking about? Do you not believe, man? You said that was impossible.
You can just lose this. Aha! Yeah. Look, he's burnt and his beak is stuck in the floor.
You said that was impossible.
Okay, let's see how you do this. Look at the yellow board. Reminds me of Angry Boards. Except they don't really fling because they just go.
And they're not actually square. Triangle.
Wait, why do they even do this anyway?
Why do you want to break these pipes?
When you get are born.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna try and hit 300.
If you can.
Oh, don't say that. We're gonna hit 300. It's short back.
What were you saying?
I was saying that we're gonna hit 300. By the night now. You're gonna hit 0. Okay, you're gonna hit only 10. I mean, you're gonna hit only 30. No, I mean you're gonna hit 4. And you can leave a comment on what game you want us to review on inside the review list, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to.
Yeah, but that's all we have time for today.
But we'll hit 300 another time.
Bye.